Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with another video. And as you can see, it's the Clickbank journey, $0 to $1,000 in a day. But look, bruh, I'm gonna be honest. Like I haven't been focusing on this. I started a Shopify store. Now, Shopify is a different. It's kind of harder if you ask me, cause you gotta learn Facebook ads, cause you don't get traffic from like YouTube and stuff like that. But this is my Shopify store in the last 30 days. I started this store um when did I start this store? So I started this store what January 18th, I think. Yeah. No, wait. Uh yeah, the 18th because this is when all the traffic came. So these other days it was just me testing out the site. But yeah, I started this store January 18th. So in 10 days I made $656.73. But it's harder. So like if anybody knows Facebook ads, let me know. Cause let a nigga know, bro. Cause I need someone to help me with Facebook ads. Like I'll even pay you. Just let me know. And this is just my store stats. But this is in the last 10 days, so and I'm just getting started with Shopify. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to Clickbank because this is what y'all came here for. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and leave a like on this video. But so the last day was the 14th. So the 15th I didn't make any money. The 16th I made $47. The 17th I made 47. The 18th I didn't make any money. The 19th I made 147.21. The 20th I made $74. The 21st I made 21.84. The next 3 days I didn't make any. The 25th I made 164.45. The 26th I made 40, and the 27th I made 78.91. So those are my stats for ClickBank these last couple days. Like I said though, I haven't really been focusing on it. I've really been focusing on my Shopify store, cause and this is my ads. Like I don't know about Facebook ads. Like someone need to teach me that, but do y'all want to see my Shopify journey? Like, should I start documenting my Shopify journey? Like, what apps I use, what products I sell, how to sell them? Do y'all want to see that? Because I could show you guys it. Like, because I'm more interested in that right now other than ClickBank. Because ClickBank, I've been doing it for a minute. Like, it's starting to get boring, to be honest. But let me know. Let me know. And I think that's gonna be it for this video. I just really wanted to find someone that knows Facebook ads. So comment down below if you do, and just that's it, bruh. And I'm out, bruh.